Hey everyone, you with Tesla Tom. Thanks so much for joining us on Ludicrous Feed. I have an unboxing video for you guys today. This is all thanks to evsc.com.au who sent me this lovely package. I think I know what's inside, but we'll have a look anyway. It's pretty well wrapped. Alright, have a look at what's inside this box. Wrapping there. Alrighty. Cool. A Type 1 to Type 2 adapter barrel. Alright, look at that. Type 1 on this side to plug into the old ChargePoint's Type 1 chargers around Sydney, around shopping centres still. We'll go try that out in 1 second. And then this goes into your Type 2 vehicle like the Teslas, Model S, Model X, Model 3, and newer EVs also support Type 2. So let's go check it out. Type 1 to Type 2 barrel, and then my old Type 1 to Type 2 dongle. Exactly the same, Type 2 there, and then Type 1 on this side. Obviously this is more compact. Let's go check out the new barrel. Old ChargePoint Type 1 chargers here. So as you can see, that's Type 1 there on the old ChargePoint charger. That's Type 1, so that hooks right in there, like so. And then this goes straight into my car. This should work, hopefully. Bingo. So that's going green. That's charging away there. That's good. So look into my car there. Yep, it's charging away at 7 kilowatts, which is single phase. Alright guys, thanks for watching. This is the EVSC barrel adapter, Type 1 to Type 2, using an old ChargePoint Type 1 charger. Still found in some shopping centres around Australia. As the transition goes towards Type 2, these will still be around, so this is still handy to have in your frunk for your electric car. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Follow me on Twitter @_TeslaTom for the latest updates on Model 3 deliveries in Australia. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy charging. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Ludicrous Feed to stay up to date with our latest videos. Congratulations to everyone who's used my referral link to buy a new Tesla. I'll leave that in the comments and also in the description below. And follow me on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook for more content. Happy charging!